Hello guys, welcome back to Tanuja's Card Box. So guys, in today's video I'm going to make a hot air balloon. To make this cute hot air balloon I'm going to use this thick kind of drawing sheet. You may use cardstocks for a colorful effect. So I'm going to use these two colors. One is white, another one is pink. Now white glue, carbon paper, scissors, string or wool. So let's see how to make this cute hot air balloon. But before that, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get the notifications. As you can see, I have drawn a pattern over here. Now I am tracing the pattern on the pink and white drawing sheets using a carbon paper, as I need all of them to be same size. I need 4 of them each. After tracing the pattern, cut them using scissors. After cutting them, it will look something like this. Do some cut marks using a scissors. Here I am just showing you it using a pencil. After cutting the edges, it is looking something like this. Now fold each of the cutout edges inside. Now put alternate color cutouts close to each other, keeping the edges in one direction. Now attach the cutouts using white glue. Repeating the process, attach all the cutouts together. last cutted one is quite difficult, so you can use a pen or pencil to attach it. I have drawn a pattern over here to make the lower basket. After cutting it according to the design, it is looking something like this. Now fold it to make a basket. Attach the string or wool to the balloon. Now cut a strip of paper and stick it around the lower part of the balloon. Here I am attaching 4 small strips to the balloon so that I can attach the basket to the balloon. After attaching the small 4 strips, it is something looking like this. Now attach the 4 strips to the basket using white glue. using Paul metallic gold acrylic color and a pearl just to decorate my hot air balloon. It is totally optional. After that, the hot air balloon is completely ready to hang. I will be showing it at the end of the video. Okay guys, I'm done here. If you really like today's video, then turn the black thumb into blue. Comment down below what you like about it. Share and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Meet you on next Friday.